What would you do if you found a typewriter that could make your wishes come true? But here's the catch. Each wish leaves a permanent mark on its keys. A young girl named Marisol is about to find out. In her grandmother's dusty attic, Marisol discovers an old typewriter that seems ordinary at first. Late one night, frustrated by her sock-stealing cat Winston, she types a playful demand letter. To her amazement, the next morning her missing sock appears, perfectly folded on her pillow. Testing her discovery, she writes more commands. The toaster creates golden perfection. Her withering plants sprout new life overnight. But with each granted wish, another key grows dim, its letter fading like memories in an old photograph. As the typewriter's power grows stronger, Marisol faces a choice: use its magic to fix everything in her life instantly, or preserve the mysterious stories held within its worn-out keys. Would you choose instant gratification, or protect something magical, even if it meant taking the longer path?